Hello everyone, and wow, do we have some fun Tesla news today. So my last video, if you don't know, was on what Elon Musk, aka Tesla's CEO, chairman, said, well, what he said about the earnings call. And we have some bombshell news today. So the stock is currently trading up. Why is it trading up so much? So the stock actually went up $37.58, which is just a tick under 11% to finish the day at $379.57. Why is Tesla up so dang much? I'll tell you why Tesla's up. Okay, so Elon Musk went on Twitter and he pulled a Trump. What does that mean? That means that this guy said that he's considering taking Tesla private at, I feel like I should get green for this number. If you guys don't know, he wants to take Tesla private at $420. $420, which is also 420. If you don't know, if you don't smoke any of the herbal essence, that's basically the day for weed. So is this a joke? Is 420 a joke, or is he actually being serious on this price? Me personally, I have no idea. I think he's being serious. I don't see him throwing this out as a joke. I don't know why he would really want to throw it out as a joke. It would pretty much be market manipulation, which is a very, very serious charge, and the SEC would come down on him like a goddamn hailstorm. So I don't think that's a good idea for this to be fake. He says he's considering it, and the stock was actually halted because, man, this stock was trading crazy. So the stock was halted for it was about an hour and a half. The stock was halted. I believe it was about 2:15 to 3:45 the stock was halted. And he said, well, or Tesla said, that news is going to come out. The news was they're considering it. A Saudi company acquired about a 5%, $2 billion stake in Tesla. And yeah, basically they're considering going private. It's not official, but it's a consideration, and it would maybe happen around the 420 price point. Is this good? Is this bad? What's the deal? So the reason he's saying this is because if he then goes private, he wouldn't have to report quarterly earnings. The stock wouldn't be under so much scrutiny. Kind of all this stuff, you know, Tesla's Elon Musk hates that kind of stuff. He's been very vocal about that. He also says that you could still be an investor in the stock. So with SpaceX, you can buy into SpaceX through Fidelity. They have apparently a program. I personally don't know about this. I'm not a SpaceX investor, and I've never looked into this. So this was news to me. And he's considering doing this with Tesla as well. Could be a good idea. I'm not really sure. You would still own your shares. You wouldn't necessarily be bought out to go officially privately. So you could still invest in Tesla. It would just be very selective. It wouldn't be so privately traded. So publicly traded as it is now. It would be more privately traded. And definitely people would not be talking about this stock as often because, well, they would only have to report earnings once a year, and this would eliminate a lot of things. Elon Musk has been very vocal that he hates short sellers as well, even putting out a famous tweet that he said the short sellers' positions will implode in the next few weeks. That kind of is in line with his earnings, which, Tesla went up a lot on earnings, not because they were good numbers, only because of the guidance and some other things he said, like developing the microchips. They're 10 times better than AMD chips, and kind of things like that. Autonomous driving level 5, partnering with Atari for video games and cars, being profitable every quarter going forward. Things like that. That's mainly why the stock went up. Definitely not because of the earnings, because they were horrendous in my opinion. So that's pretty much the gist of Elon Musk saying he wants to take Tesla private. It's honestly probably a good idea for him. It's hard to say. I don't know if he's throwing that number out there just to get the stock up to 420, because that's a pretty big upside, especially from, now that it went up like 40 bucks today, it's at like 380. But at 320, I mean at 420, that was like an $80 price raise. And just in April, the stock was in like the 240 range, so that's almost $200 above that range. So I don't know if he just wants that number to come true and he just wants the stock to go up and he's kind of just, you know, talking smack, or if he's like 100% serious. I think he is serious personally. I mean, I kind of hope he's serious and he's not just messing around saying things. I mean, he's been known to say a couple things that haven't come true before. I guess, like anything, it's a wait and see kind of thing. But I mean, I don't see him having really that much reason to lie. I don't think he's trading the stock. That would be pretty stupid in my opinion, because damn, he's going to get in trouble. So if it's legit and this is a 100% thing, this might happen. He can't make it happen solely. There has to be like a vote. So he can't just say, we're going private, that's it. That can't happen. So like anything, it's going to have to get approved. It's going to have to go through whatever paperwork and processes it goes through to get unlisted. Kind of. I mean, it would get unlisted from, I believe, the NASDAQ it trades in. So it would then have to go private with Fidelity and set up an account that you could privately invest in it. So it'll have to go through those necessary steps. Definitely probably not a 5-minute process. This will take some time. Say the stock hits 420 by the end of the year. Might take another 6 months to a year. I'm not sure. I'm just guessing. But I don't think it's going to be a one-day thing. It's probably going to take some time. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think about this news and if this is market manipulation, if you think he's telling the truth, if you don't really care. Please do comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and theories on this subject. Also, if you like this video and you want, feel free to give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And if you want more videos like this on the stock market and just financial in general, please do smash that subscribe button so I can keep making these videos that are so amazingly fun and awesome to make and that you guys can enjoy all the time whenever you want to click on the YouTube app and click on my videos. Anyways, guys, till next time, see you later and have a beautiful day.